Alright, here's the deal. If you've been looking for that perfect family property, you have to take a look at this one. We've started in the back so that I can show you this enormous section, and we'll make our way inside. The really neat thing about this property is that not only is this section ideal for a family, but so is the home. They've taken the original property and extended to it, so it's got neat, modern and character-rich features. And it's also got double glazing, a compliant fireplace, a heat pump, infinity gas hot water and 4 bedrooms. Come and take a look. There's just so much opportunity to make this unique property your own and to really enjoy the lifestyle it offers. So make sure you give me a call or come along to the open home.